Merit for Life Science batch release functionality streamlines and simplifies the batch release process. Gone are the days of manual, simplistic, and error-prone pass-or-fail assessments that dictate the batch release readiness. Instead, our dynamic framework empowers organizations to customize their release criteria, ensuring every decision reflects the nuanced considerations crucial for success. The batch release process is the foundation of compliance and quality needed for effectively managing the supply chain. Merit for Life Sciences batch release functionality encompasses a range of built-in criteria, each designed to enhance the batch release decision. It ensures there are no open quality orders associated with the batch, validates the absence of any open quality issues linked to the batch, checks for any open dispensing events associated with the batch, validates that the production order status is ended, indicating completion, and streamlines the process of checking the related batch documentation status. Merit for Life Science batch release functionality comes with an infinite number of user-defined manual check criteria and ready integration points and the ability to pull and check against data from disparate systems. Our batch release functionality offers great transparency and efficiency. It's not just about passing tests anymore, it's about making informed decisions that drive value and success while ensuring the highest quality and safety of your products. As we can see, in order to release this batch, there is a mix of manual and built-in checks needed to be in the passed status before the system will allow us to release this batch and mark it deemed for further use. Leveraging Merit for Life Sciences' flexible and adaptable batch release checks offers streamlined processes, reduced release time and effort, and increased capacity by ensuring SOP adherence and providing comprehensive audit trails. Additionally, it enhances visibility through notifications, consolidates relevant information for informed decision-making, and ultimately reduces inventory costs while improving product quality and safety, thus mitigating risks. Merit for Life Science provides a holistic and compliant system the users need to confidently release the batch of their product, ensuring that all the important checks have been completed and documented in a proper audit trail of the production process, which is a must for life science organizations. Contact us to learn more.